Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 official renders are out. And we even get a leaked invitation of the Samsung's upcoming event. And the colors are also out for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and a better design for the USB Type-C. Samsung is going to unveil Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. As per leaks invitation which was leaked by Evan Blass, and then the picture was deleted indicating that the Samsung is going to launch Z Fold 4 on August 10th. Since other Twitter accounts shared the same August 10th picture with Z Flip 4 Bora purple color. And as expected, Samsung will start pre-orders on August 16th. Which color option you guys want in the Z Fold 4, and are you guys excited about the new hinge of the Z Fold 4? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets added with the new color. Men shared an image on the story account showing Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 all 4 colors, and this didn't include the special edition dark red color as per your previous leaks. The colors included beige, gray, phantom black and possibly a green color for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 got rid of the notch for the USB Type-C. As per new colors renders, we see there's no notch for the USB Type-C but a flat surface. And Anthony also compared this with its previous generation. And Samsung has something secret to tell us. As expected, Samsung will unveil the release date of the Z Fold 4 which we already know a long ago, but let's see, Samsung will share some more info on the Z Fold 4 in the future. The lead display image of the Z Fold 4 was first uploaded by iCinemas but deleted after a few minutes. And then Anthony shared the same image of the Z Fold 4. Where we clearly see a bit wider outer display and way better hinge design compared to the Z Fold 3. And this is something new we can see in the Z Fold 4, but the front display looks more like the previous generation Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 for display will get up wider at 23:9 instead of 24:5:9, but you are only seeing the difference if you see both phones side by side. And don't expect a price drop on the Z Fold 4. We can expect a 128GB storage model which will possibly start at $1,699, and 1TB version will be limited to certain markets. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.